Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be trying to finish up installing our LED lights. So I had the lights off and it's cold. See how that fluorescent's doing? LEDs aren't doing that. While editing the previous video, I noticed that, hey, I only have 5 of these. So I've already utilized 4 of them here. So when I installed the plugs up here, the thought was, I was thinking that I had 8 of these at least, so that I could just plug for one, plug for the other. So this plan isn't going to work. So I think what I'm going to have to do today is move all my plugs down to here, down to this lower portion, and then use these little pieces here to basically tie the two together. So I think I'm just going to try to see if maybe this piece is long enough to maybe go from the end of this one to where this one would be. Maybe. We'll find out. Alright, so I finally got all the plugs relocated back over to this wall over here, and now I'm going to start putting LEDs up. So once I put up this strip, then I can connect it to that strip over here, and we should have light all the way across back here. Then I can just work my way forward. I've got a whole collection of baseball cards up here too, that from when I was a kid. Any of you guys have baseball cards? If you do, drop a comment below. Alright, let's see if this one will flip on now. Hey, success. Now I just need to link it to the other one. So this one just has the, so this cable here, it just connects to the end of that one and then goes over to this one. The stuff I read said you could put like 5 of these in a row. We're only doing 2, so shouldn't be an issue. Slide the lights in a little bit where the cord will reach. Heck yeah, now we can just put a zip tie right here, hold this cord up, and we're good to go. So now I guess I'll just put on time lapse and finish putting all these up over here and just get her done. All right, so I got all the lights up now. So you can see how it looks outside. And you go in here, it's like no different with all the doors closed. It's super bright, super bright. I love it. I love it. This is gonna be great. Hopefully the lighting on the channel is improved. I hope. But now I got to get to cleaning up in here. So anyways, thanks for checking out this little mini series about the shop and me getting the new lights installed. Also, I'm in the process of getting in the affiliate program with Amazon. So I will put a link to the lights in the description. So if you're interested in getting a set of lights for your shop or your garage, check the description. There's a link down there that sends you to my page. But yeah, this shop is, it's been a work in progress for the last 4 years. And this is actually, I used my YouTube money from last month to purchase these lights. So like I said, I don't make a lot of money on YouTube, but I'm trying to reinvest what little bit I am making back into the channel. So I think next month I'm going to be doing some kind of little giveaway. I'm going to be giving away basically my YouTube check. So it should be like I'm going to do a $300 gift certificate to Jason Waters Tuning. So Jason is a dealer for Speed Factory. He also is dealers for almost any kind of performance brand that you could think of when it comes to Honda. Does Honda It also has an in-house dyno. He's located right outside of Atlanta. You know, if you're anywhere in this area and you want to go get a dyno, you know, you can use your $300 gift certificate towards that. Or if you want to buy some parts and you know you're on the West Coast or something and there's some kind of something that you want from Speed Factory or whatever it is performance-wise, use that gift certificate. That'll put you $300 closer to, you know, attaining that part that you want. So once the channel reaches 5,000 subs, we'll do a little mini contest of some type, and we'll pick a winner and give that to one of you guys. Also, I need a little help. I need to know kind of what you guys think I should do for a little contest. I'm kind of drawing a blank, and just would like some recommendations from you guys in the comments. So drop a comment below and tell me what kind of contest I could do to where I can give away this $300 gift certificate. Just a little warped. Alright, I didn't really record much on this car, but this is a 96 Civic HX. This is the one that I was at the machine shop having the head resurfaced on. So I got it back together last night, and it's running good. So before, the head gasket was blown, and as soon as you pull the cap off, even with the car cold, it just rocketed coolant out. So I'm just starting it up. You can see it's cold. Alright, look at this. Head gasket 100%. Anytime it does that, 99% of the time, head gasket. So I went ahead and I changed the water pump, cam seal, thermostat, intake manifold gasket, VTEC gasket. Let's see what else I did. Distributor O-ring. And of course the head gasket, and I think that's it really. But she's running good now. I actually started up with the cap off of it and it's running perfect, like not pushing any coolant out. So 99% of the times with a Honda head gasket, they don't mix coolant. Most of the time it just pressurizes the coolant system. So anyways, got the lights on the shop finished up. I also got the HX fixed up and ready to go. And then last night I also finished up Carlos's GSR Turbo Integra. So this is the Integra. I wound up having to change throttle body. Throttle body was giving me a bunch of issues. But we've got the South Bay fuel rail on now. South Bay 1000cc injectors. And then the braided fuel lines. And a South Bay regulator. So all that's hooked up now. And so the motor sounds good and healthy, idle's good now, and overall I think it's a success. So it's ready for a tune, and hopefully we can get back to that one pretty soon. And we've still got the giveaway going on the HNSI. Currently I think we've sold 162 spots or something like that. So we got to get to 250. If you want to get in on that, you can go to my Facebook page, which is Philip Babb. And I'm doing minis on there for $10 a spot. Or if you just want to purchase a spot outright, you can go to thehondaresource.com and you can pick up a spot on there. It's $60 to enter. Doing free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. And with each entry, you get a t-shirt and a sticker. There's all kinds of different t-shirt designs on the website, so just go over and pick up something today and check it out. Hopefully we'll be doing another video on this one pretty soon. And I'm ready to get this thing done. So anyways, I appreciate you checking out this little mini series, and hopefully you stick around and watch some more videos, and appreciate you stopping by. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.